part 1 of adding a title header, we created a header for all our screens by using an embedded panel. In this video, we will demonstrate how you can add a functional button to that same embedded panel. Here is our source journal maintenance screen from part 1. We went through and added embedded panels to other screens in our application, including a screen with a folder tab. The title headers look great, but now we want to add a help button to all the screens. We can do that by using the embedded panel we created in part 1. We go back to the designer and select our title bar embedded panel. From there, we select the button icon from the toolbar. This will launch the Buttons Properties dialog. We change the name of our control, and if you recall, we need to keep this unique because we will be embedding this into other screens. We add the text of what we want to appear on the button. We select the icon we want on the button. We adjust the position to where we want the help button to appear on the title header. And we adjust the size of our new help button. On the font tab, we want to give our button some color, so we adjust the foreground and background colors. We adjust the alignment of the icon on the button. This is a new feature available in PxPlus 2014. On the Attributes tab, we set it as a flat button. And finally, we need to add logic to the button when it's pressed. In this example, we will launch our online help when the help button is clicked. Here's what our new button will look like. For your application, you can design this button any way you want. And because this embedded panel will be added to screens of various sizes, we need to set the resize attributes for the help button. On the resize definition dialog, we set the help button to be anchored top right. If we now go back to the application, we now have a functional help button. We did not have to add a help button to each individual screen. We only added it once to the title header embedded panel. In the example, we added only one button, but we could have easily added a number of different controls. As you can see, the embedded panel is a powerful tool in PxPlus 2014 that you can use to modernize and add new functionality to your application.